Hey guys, how's it going? In today's video, we're going to be talking about if Aurora stock is going all the way to 14, 15, $16. The video is going to be called $16 by the end of March, I guess. Or 12 US dollars in theory, and I'm going to talk about why somebody commented in my channel, but I'll talk about it. But before I talk about it, I want to doing a review on a product that I just completely wiped out. I just finished this product, but I took a picture of it before I finished off the entire product. It's called Warwick 1. It smells like melon. I like the high of it. It feels pretty good. I like the high of this product. That's all I really have to say. In the future, if I was to buy this product again, I probably would buy this product again. I like it, so I would probably buy it again. So just you can't buy it at the store. You can only buy it on the Aurora's medicine or medical cannabis side. I think it's smart how Aurora keeps the medical products and the rec products kind of separate from each other, not kind of mixing it all up. So there's a reason for medical patients to keep ordering directly from Aurora, because that's where Aurora really makes the money, is when customer orders directly from Aurora and not from the store. So that's why I think Aurora is keeping the products separate from the rec market, because in the rec market you can buy pre-rolls, but in the Aurora store you can buy pre-rolls, and they also have different set of products in the rec market versus the medical market. So I think that's a very smart strategy. Thinkorswim platform, like, I thought I was gonna get it on Monday. I called in BMO. I called in TD. They didn't know what the hell was going on. I came back to them and I was talking to them, and they're like, I came back to the TD branch and I talked to them, and they're like, 3 more days. By Friday you should have it. So yeah, more delays, but hey, whatever. It happens. Not everything goes according to plan, but it sucks. I was really looking forward to using this Thinkorswim platform, but I guess I have to wait another week, and hopefully just another week, because I may get delayed again, but hopefully I'll have this up and running. So I'm very excited. I can't wait to use this platform. Maybe it'll help me option trade better. So now getting to this, this guy called Don Farmer, he took down his post, but last night he posted up that he predicted the stock would act this way. He said that it meet all his requirements. He says that by February 15th, the Aurora stock should be trading between 9 to 10 US dollars, and then by the end of March it should be trading at 12 US dollars. That's equivalent to 16 Canadian dollars. He took down the post, but it's very ballsy to say, and this guy said, I'm a chart expert. I honestly don't believe anybody can truly predict where stocks can go. If they can, they'd be rich as F, because like, if you can predict where stocks can go, you would be so rich. You'd be just money falling from the skies. I don't think anyone can accurately predict where price of the stock can go. There are signs, there are charts can help you kind of guess the range where it'd be in, but nobody can truly predict. So I honestly don't believe that Aurora stock will be 12 US dollars by the end of March. I think in the March time frame it's going to be a very rough month for the cannabis stocks. Back half of February and sometime in March is going to be a very rough time for cannabis stocks, but I could be totally wrong. This guy could be totally right. I don't know for sure, but if you look long term, Aurora should be worth $13, $14, $15. I don't think it's gonna happen anytime soon. I think maybe near the back half of the year it could be 20 Canadian 20 maybe 20 or maybe 14 $15 Canadian stock. We'll see though, but that's definitely a possibility in the back half of the year. Just saying. So what do you guys think? You guys think Aurora is gonna be 16? You think Aurora is gonna be $16, 15, 16 dollars by the end of March, or you think Aurora is not gonna be at that price at that time? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts, especially the guys who know how to read charts and read charts to see your prediction. I don't think that's gonna happen that way, and I don't think Aurora is gonna be trading at 10.40. I don't think Aurora is gonna be trading at 11 to 12 Canadian dollars by February 15th. Just my opinion though. We'll see what happens. So Google fell just a little bit today, and I bought the put option just right yesterday as soon as I woke up in the morning. Even though the stock was down 0.5%, I basically lost my entire put option for the value of my Google put option. Even though the stock went down, I still lost out on my put option. I think earnings has something to do with the fact that the put option kind of didn't do anything. It destroyed the premium or something. I have no idea. I don't know why all of a sudden my put option for Google just dropped so bad. Kind of don't understand it. If you guys want to explain it, please comment down below, because I'm confused and I don't know what the hell is going on. Kron, I did a put option on Kron yesterday. I sold out at Kron on put at $4. I made about 52% profit off my Kron put option. That felt kind of nice. That's all I really have to comment. I also did a call option today on AMD in the morning. So yeah, so you guys really like this guy's thinking. He's saying that Aurora is going to be trading between 9 to 10 US dollars by February 15th. I don't think that's the scenario, but I could totally be wrong. We'll see. He said that this week it's going to be how do you say it? When stocks consolidate, just kind of can't say that word. When he's basically saying that Aurora stock for this week will be trading sideways, and next week it's gonna trade up to $9, between $9 US to $10 US. I don't think that's a scenario, but who knows. Kron, yeah, like I said, I sold Kron on the dip right here, and it rallied all the way back. The weed market is so volatile. I believe Kron is gonna keep falling. Could be a good time to do another put option since it just recovered. So, well, I'll see what I do. I don't know what I'll do exactly yet, but I may do another put option on Kron, because I think Kron's gonna go down in the short term, but earnings are coming up, and Kron earnings is not gonna be impressive. This is just my gut feeling, because Kron doesn't really have that much of a production right now, anyways. Canopy down. Afria was down, and then how you notice how all the weed stocks kind of act similar, like Afria, Canopy, Kron. See how they all kind of act the same. Even Aurora, dip and then pump back. So they all seem to kind of act the same in trading. It's kind of weird. Vivo Cannabis Could be an undervalued play, but I don't know. It fell back in the morning. I tried to buy it, but I put an order in for this, but I don't know if I don't think I bought it. So I put it at 101, and I don't think it went back to 101. So I don't think I bought it. Huge had some news today. Something about algae. Let's see if I can pull it up for you guys. Developing signed a LOI with Solvaris to do cannabinoids out of algae. Could be cool. I don't know. AVP, Avon Products, a company I own. I did some call options on it too. I don't think this stock has earnings coming up on February 14th. I'm looking forward to the earnings. I'm gonna pay attention to what they say in the earnings report. This company is a turnaround project right now. So I mean, this stock used to be, like $38, $32 in 2010. So it could, it could go back to $20, $30. That would make it a 10 bagger. I don't know if it will, but it could. So yeah. Kron. I don't know why I have Kron up, but Kron's up now. And I have Aurora up again. See where Aurora is at. Oh, Aurora is up today. So everything's just starting to pull back right now. It's pulled back into the green. AMD. So my prediction for Aurora is I think Aurora stock is going to go to $11. And then $11, maybe even close to $12 by the end of Friday. And then when earnings come out on Monday, I think Aurora stock's going to pull back big time. Because, I don't know, I just don't think it'll be, it'll be okay. But at the end of the day, it's not enough to evaluate. $55 million not enough to evaluate $10.5 billion. But I'm not the judge of that. And right now, we're in rally mode, so the risk are high, the reward is low. If I bought early in the morning, maybe the risk would have been less low, but should have acted on that. Oh well, too late now. AMD, I did a call option on AMD. I'm still bullish on AMD. They pulled back because they rallied a lot already, so I did a call option on it. I'll continue to do call options, especially if the stock keeps pulling down and down and down. I'm doing long-term call options on it because I believe in this company in the long term, not the short term. Qualcomm. Something strange happened with Qualcomm. I had a put option on Qualcomm. I had an exercise price of $50, and Qualcomm expired. I didn't sell off Qualcomm. I just let it expire. And then Qualcomm gave me... Sorry, as soon as the option expired, because I was in the money, my broker automatically shorted 200 shares of Qualcomm, causing me, to lose even a little bit more money because Qualcomm went up today. But I sold out my Qualcomm short position because I didn't like the fact that Qualcomm is near its all-time lows and I had a short position on it. If I was to have a short position on it, I'd feel way more comfortable if Qualcomm was like $75, $74. Not when Qualcomm's $50. Because there's a chance it can go back to $57 or $63. Would make it dangerous. I mean, I know Qualcomm has problems, but I would not leave my short position on it. I was mad this morning. I didn't understand why I had a short on it because I knew I would never buy a short on Qualcomm at $50. and I don't buy shorts that often, so that was messed up. So remember this. I don't know if this is for your bank too, but if you're in the option, if you're in the money and your option expires in the money, you will automatically buy the stock. So it's very dangerous game. It only expires worthless, or it only expires worthless is if you're out of the money. If you're in the money, you will automatically buy the stock. It's kind of stupid, but that's the way it is. Boeing. Good thing I didn't do a put option on Boeing, because Boeing is up today. Up $4.04. Brand new all-time highs. I kind of really want to do a put option on Boeing, because I think Boeing could, if the market falls, Boeing could really fall with the market, especially since it's at its all-time highs. But it could continue to keep going up, because when it's making new all-time, the sky is the limit, and I don't know exactly when that pullback will happen. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for future updates. Give me a thumbs up if you like this. Give me a thumbs down if you dislike this. And have a great day. Bye.